Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Creativity Skills LLC. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing, and I couldn't be more excited to share some valuable insights with you. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. Digital marketing is the backbone of modern business strategies, and understanding its intricacies can unlock endless opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to upgrade your skills, or a newbie eager to explore this dynamic field, a digital marketing course is the perfect starting point. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is like the cool way of selling and promoting stuff online. It's about reaching people on the internet using things like search engines, social media, emails, and websites. First things first, why digital marketing? Well, in today's digital age, online presence is everything. From social media and search engines to email campaigns and content marketing, businesses rely on digital channels to connect with their audience and drive growth. By mastering digital marketing techniques, you gain the power to amplify brand visibility, engage customers, and boost sales. Now, let's talk about what you can expect from a digital marketing course. These comprehensive programs cover a wide range of topics, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, SMM, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, email marketing, content strategy, analytics, and more. Each module is designed to equip you with practical skills that you can immediately apply in real-world scenarios. Now, let's talk about the awesome jobs you can get with digital marketing. There are tons of cool positions like. One of the most exciting aspects of digital marketing is the plethora of job opportunities it offers. From digital marketing managers and social media specialists to SEO analysts and content strategists, there's a role for everyone. Plus, with the increasing demand for digital marketing expertise, salaries in this field are competitive. To truly understand the impact of a digital marketing course, let's hear from some success stories. Meet Sarah, a recent graduate who landed her dream job as a digital marketing manager after completing her certification. With the knowledge and skills gained from the course, she was able to develop data-driven strategies that drove significant ROI for her company. In conclusion, investing in a digital marketing course is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about investing in your future. Whether you're looking to climb the career ladder, launch your own business, or simply stay ahead of the curve, a digital marketing course can be your ticket to success. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this overview of digital marketing courses insightful. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy marketing!